Welcome to PricePoint, a smart and simple way to buy and sell moving services. We're excited to present EZ-RFP. By harnessing the power of the PricePoint database, you can now complete mass calculations within minutes. Within the Mover-to-Mover platform, navigate to EZ-RFP, download the template, and customize to your needs by entering locations and shipment types. Once complete, upload your finished template, verify your locations and shipment types are displaying properly, and click Calculate. Within minutes, your door-to-door rates are calculated, allowing you to separately view the origin, freight, and destination results. Then, simply download the results to make any final adjustments you need, thereby completing your RFP in record time. And should you ever need to reference how to use EZ-RFP, we make it simple to access the instructions. Let's get you powered by PricePoint.